I saw this comment and I think it's time that we talk about it. But prior to that, I just have to blend or ayusin lang tong concealer na nilagay ko. Anyway, I'm doing my makeup while I just thought of making a video. Most of you are, most likely, yung mga nanonood sa akin sa social media ko or any platform are into a Pakistani and Filipina relationship. Obviously, because this channel is about Pakistan and Filipina relationship. Anyway, maybe you're asking if totoo ba na strict ang mga Pakistani, totoo ba na mga naka-arrange marriage sila, totoo ba na hindi sila pwedeng mag-asawa ng hindi nila kalahi. Kasi ang daming ganong mga comments sa social media. Yung questions na yun, kung nasa relationship ka with a Pakistani guy, most likely, you've seen a lot of videos, a lot of comments from different people na saying, yung mga Pakistani Muslim, they don't really marry another nation or hindi nila kasi ng religion. Those are the questions na minsan nagko-cause ng mga overthinking mo or doubts mo. Kasi nga, ang dami nga sa social media na ganun ang mga sinasabi. Wherein, ikaw, you're getting lost somewhere along the way. Kasi nga, yung mga tao na nagsasabi is depende talaga sa experience nila. Kung ako ang tatanungin nyo, I would not say in a general manner. Kasi nga, syempre, di ba, we cannot really judge or we cannot really say based on just one experience of another person. Kung marami man naka-experience ng mga bad experience sa Pakistani, syempre, hindi naman porket yung story nila is bad, magiging bad din yung sayo. Kaya nga, purpose ko din while making this content is to educate women na syempre, you have to learn how to assess, especially yung kinikilala mo pa lang yung guy, dapat alam mo sa dating stage or kumbaga sa getting to know stage is ano yung mga dapat mo itanong. I have so many videos about it. You can check the other videos about like the tips, red flags versus the green flags when dating a Pakistani. So, don't mind me while I do my makeup para tipid sa oras. So, ayun. Ang masasabi ko, this will be based on my personal experience ha. Kasi syempre, I would always talk based on my personal experience. Well, fortunately enough, I'm so blessed kasi yung asawa ko, from the day one ng relationship namin, he never changed yung treatment niya sa akin. Kumbaga, kung ano siya dati, until now, ganun pa rin yung trato niya sa akin. Hindi yun nagbago. So, yung mga bagay na yon, you really have to think or check kung paano ba yung boyfriend mo or yung partner mo from the very beginning until now ng relationship nyo. May ibang Pakistani na maluwag or modern mag-isip. May iba naman na super strict when it comes sa paniniwala or yung sa mga values or your actions na gusto niyang makita sa isang partner. Those are conservative, mga very traditional sila. Pero ang dami pa rin namang mga guy na super flexible nila when it comes sa relationship sa ibang lahi. Tsaka ang dami talaga. Comment down below yung mga Filipinas or even Pakistanis who's having the same relationship na hindi ganun ka strict when it comes to monitoring, saan ka. Alam mo yung hindi ka na makahinga dahil sa sobrang dami ng, alam mo yun, yung gusto niyang mangyari sa relationship nyo. Kailangan, monitored ka niya. Diba? How would you stay in that kind of relationship wherein hindi ka na makahinga sa ganong klaseng relasyon, diba? Who would stay in that kind of relationship na lahat na lang ng galaw mo dapat alam niya? Diba nakakasakal? Pero marami pa rin Pakistani na super understanding, kind, very patient, loyal. Maraming pa rin loyal. Hindi lang naman based lang sa isa yung pagiging basis natin when it comes sa kung paano natin i-identify ang isang good Pakistani man. There are so many good Pakistani men out there. It's just that you really have to check. Hindi kasi pwedeng i-ignore mo yung mga red flags na nakikita mo na sa start pa lang na relationship nyo. Tapos, eventually, pag taktan ka, isisisi mo yung buong nation, which is hindi naman siya dapat ganun. Kasi marami pa rin naman na maayos ang ugali or yung pagkatao ng isang Pakistani. So, I think it's not fair that we just have to single out one nation because of one experience over the other. So, teka lang. Medyo mahirap pala magsalita habang nagme-makeup, no? Anyways, yun din naman yung topic. So, kung ako sa inyo, once na may nakilala kayo online or in person, tapos that guy is giving you the treatment na consistent from the very beginning up to now, hindi pwede yung mabait lang siya sa umpisa tapos after some time, salbahin na. Alam mo yung ganun. So, very consistent dapat. Makikita mo dapat ang mga red flags. Just check yung video, red flags versus green flag para malaman mo kung ano ba yung dapat i-consider na red flag tsaka green flag. Tapos, when it comes naman sa next level na relationship, yung marriage, yung mga seryosong Pakistani is, obviously, pakakasalan ka naman talaga nila. Pero ako I would always go on this stand of my own na please avoid getting married on the first meeting. If hindi ka ganun ka confident enough or peaceful enough sa isang relationship nyo na kunwari online, tapos yung gusto niyang magpakasal kayo pagdating mo sa Pakistan, alam mo kasi there's no point of return kapag nandun ka na. Tapos eventually ma-realize mo hindi pala okay yung buhay. So ladies, I mean, and also for Pakistani men, I know it's not halal. I'm not saying na I patronize yung haram na relationship, but what I'm trying to say is that please get to know each other first kasi magkaiba kayo ng kultura, magkaiba kayo ng belief, ng religion. So, those are the things, kung magkaiba kayo ng religion pala, pero kung paano naman kayo ng religion, tapos, yun nga, then, just talk about it, diba? Hindi mo kasi pwedeng i-jump ang sarili mo agad sa isang relationship or sa marriage na first time mo makita kasi parang nakakatakot kasi siya. Ang dami na rin kasing case na nagpakasal on the first meeting tapos ang ending, hindi naman pala okay yung partner nila or yung family tapos nagiging alipin sa gigilid na lang yung babae sa bansa nila. It happens din naman. So you really have to think and consider yung aspect na yun. Hindi lang pwede porket alam mo yun, yung maganda yung pakikitungo niyo sa umpisa. Kasi you never know eh. Diba? So, ayun lang ang common kasi na tinatanong is kung seryoso ba ang Pakistani, paano malalaman kung seryoso. Tapos, ganun ba talaga ang mga Pakistani? So, please, people who's watching this, mga kadosti, don't generalize yung isang nation. Kung naka-experience kayo ng pananakit or heartbreak sa other nation or yung mga kakilala mo or nakikita mo sa social media, I think please try to be less judgmental when it comes to judging one nation. Pakistani people are kung kunwari ako, nagpunta ako sa Pakistan as a tourist, they're very hospitable talaga, very friendly. Hindi sila yung tipo na i-approach ka nila na parang, hey, come on, parang ganun. Never ko na-experience yan even when I was traveling there. Like, kunwari, syempre, mag-isa lang naman ako pumunta nung galing ako Dubai, tapos sa airport, very nice sila. Syempre, you still have to take precautions, diba? Hindi naman porket nice ang iba is nice din ang other people, diba? So, yun lang mga kadosti. I hope I was able to answer yung majority ng mga questions na nakikita ko sa social media. Tapos, please stay tuned in sa mga future videos na ipopost ko dito sa YouTube kasi I try to post as much as I can now. Please just bear with me kapag hindi ako nakakapag-post on some other days kasi nga, syempre, ang dami ko din ginagawa sa buhay. Pero nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa mga katulad ninyo na lagi sumusuporta, na hindi nananawang mag-follow, mag-subscribe, mag-like, and mag-share ng video, especially to those people na in the same situation. And sana, please, try to comment down below yung mga in a relationship with Pakistani. Ano yung experience nyo? Paano nyo hinandle yung ugali ng Pakistani boyfriend nyo or paano kayo nagko-compromise with each other? Please, I really appreciate if magko-comment kayo para din naman sa I can continue making this kind of content kasi of course, you also have to help me grow, di ba? I mean, not you have to, but I will appreciate if you help me grow para I continue to make this kind of content. If you like this video, please share. Mga kadosti, thank you so much. And please stay tuned in kasi ilo-launch namin sa susunod na mga araw ang aming website wherein you can download the digital products about being in a Pakistani and Filipina love story. Meron kaming dating 101 tips. Yeah, tips on dating Pakistani. And then magkakaroon din kami ng visa bundle, which is, of course, it would cost you a small amount because of my, syempre yung effort and time din na i-spend ko dun sa product, diba? I hope to see you on the next video. Maraming salamat mga kadots. Tatapusin ko lang yung pag-makeup ko. Bye-bye!